Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to topic 2. Okay, topic 2.2. Understanding MYOB account start and accounts number. Okay, before you begin, okay, as you can see in your USB drive, okay, yeah, double click your USB drive. Okay, the file that used in MYOB it's not like Microsoft product or other product. You just double click and then it will open. Now, okay. So how to close this one? Alright. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to open the software. So double click MyOb exe. Okay. So uh, 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 a window will pop up. Okay, you cannot see in this video. It says, do you want to allow these apps from the unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Okay, just click yes. Okay, all right, and this will appear. Okay, so to open your file, click open. All right, click open, and then go to USB drive and find your I always call it MYO file. Okay, why MYO file? .myo. I call it as MYO file. Alright, so double click MYO file. Okay, and then this window will pop up. Just click OK. Alright, so if you click OK or you start using this product, okay, you have 30 days to use this product, meaning that we need to complete this lesson within the 30 days. So according to lesson plan, there will be no problem lah. Okay, we will finish this MYOB within 30 days. Alright, so the first option is I want to activate my company file online. Will be that is not possible because this is trial version. Option number 2, I want to activate my company by phone. Also not possible. How about the third one? I want to activate my file later. Trial version user should also choose this option. Okay, most probably we choose this third option. Number the fourth option is I want to mark this company file as read only. This is not possible. Why? Because we want to make changes and so on. Because we are learning the software. So the third choice is the what we call that the best option for us. So remember that if you want to start with this software, choose the third option. Why? Because we are using a trial version for this MYOB. Remember that. Okay, click continue. Okay, it's just a reminder that you have 30 days left to activate the company file. Okay, click OK. Alright, so this window remind you to verify the version, okay, to do backup and so on. No, just click no. Okay, we don't need data verification and so on because we want to save time and so on, and we just use this for educational purposes. Okay, click no. Alright, now okay, adjust this screen. Okay, we in the command center, and this is accounts command center. Alright, so for your information, in the last lesson I asked you to learn about charts of account, and I mentioned that for MYOB the charts of account is called accounts list. So what we have in account list? Okay, as you can see over here, account list consists of the list of accounts. Okay, so for your information, in charts of account, they group the account according to the nature. For example, asset. Okay, asset in one group, liability in one group, equity in one group, income in one group, cost of sales in one group, expenses, other income, and other expenses. All right. So, and you can see that number one is all for accounts asset. Okay, number two is for liabilities, and so on. All right. So you can know, okay, you can learn, you can understand that charts of account group the account according to the nature of the account. Okay, that is number one. Number two, you should realize that each item or each account, or we call it item lah, okay, should be unique. That is to say that there is no account that have the same numbers. Otherwise, the system will reject whatever new account number that is similar. Okay, so let's look in the first one, asset. Okay, in asset, normally we have items such as bank, building, debtors, and so on. Okay, uh, liabilities. Okay, liabilities is actually obligation or debt due to other parties. Okay, like bank, creditors, and so on. Equity is like the owner share in the business. Okay, so normally in the equity we have like capital, yeah, earnings, retained earnings, and so on. Income, okay, this is represented by number 4, is money earned from core business. Remember, core business. Okay, when we talk about sales, sales is income from the core business. If we are car manufacturer, meaning that sales of car is part of our sales. But sales of like maybe tire, we have uh, 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 tire that is not to be used in the production, and it become due, so we can sell that tire, but it's not considered as sales, because we consider it as under income, or other than that. Okay, all right, that is income. How about cost of sales? Cost of sales is actually cost incurred with producing product and services. Okay, normally raw material, labor cost, and so on. Okay, and number 6 is expenses. Okay, what is expenses? Expenses is actually cost incurred while generating income. Okay, for example, salary, rent, bills, utility bills, and so on. Okay, other income is income that does not form part of the core business transaction. Okay, for example, interest earned, okay, dividend earned, recovery of bad debts, freight paid, and so on. Wait, I'm talking about, sorry, I take my word back. Okay, other income is income does not form part of the core business transaction. Okay, for example, interest receipt, recovery of bad debts, and so on. Okay, and other expenses, okay, represented by number 9, is cost incurred other than those daily operation expenses, like interest expenses, extraordinary expenses, and so on. Okay, so do you have any question? You can ask me later after watching this video. Okay. And as you can see here, okay, there is a kalau bahasa Melayu dipanggil tanda right, okay, or we call it as check, okay, or link account. This tick represent that this file it has link to other account, okay, it has link to other account, right? So next, if you double click, you can see the detail of the account. Okay, in this case, account 1-1100. The name is general check account. Later you can change this to maybe my bank current account or whatever. Okay. So next, you should know is the detail. Okay. Okay. So this is the description of the item. Okay. The text uh, if relevant. Okay. The account number, the account name, the history. Normally we don't touch on this. We only focus on this thing. Okay, first one. Account classification. Asset. Okay. Accounts type. Bank. So, what is account type actually? Okay, it's a classification need to use certain feature. Okay. To classify each account. Okay, for example, if Maybank, it is bank. Okay, if Ahmad, Saleh, Raju, Akau, it might be account receivable. Okay, okay, I cannot change that one because the code is 111. Okay, and so on. If furniture, it is fixed asset. All right, the number is number related to that asset. Accounting name is the name of the asset and opening balance. Okay, that's all for this lesson. Okay, next we will learn how to create a new account. All right. So you don't need to exit this program. Just click close. Okay, click close, and then okay. See you in the next video.